Irrespective of what kind of business service you provide, if you want to do a great job at giving the clients the best experience possible, then you need to have a few email communications that are going to be closely associated with the client's journey with your program. But as you grow your client base, you can't possibly keep sending these emails individually, right? Especially when each of these emails are going to contain some personalized message for the specific recipients. For example, you want to send emails to your enrolled clients for your next batch of group coaching, let's say batch XYZ May 2022. Then your email may look something like this. And assuming you have enrolled 10 members, then imagine the amount of pain it would be to manually update each of these emails for 10 members. Thankfully, with technology and softwares, these things have become extremely customizable, easy and fast. Sometimes, like I am going to demonstrate in this example, it may even be free. In this video, for the purpose of demonstration, I am taking examples where I'll be sending bulk personalized emails for onboarding new members, offboarding members, and sending off generic good to have email like a birthday message. I mean, if sending bulk emails can be this easier, then why not? People do feel loved and special when you unexpectedly send them a birthday wish. To send these emails, I use a Google spreadsheet add-on for mail merge called Yet Another Mail Merge. The free version lets you send 50 emails per day, which is a good enough limit for a solopreneur or a small business for their communication. For the first example, I create a sample email with details specific to recipient enrollments. Now that my template is ready, I'm going to create a Google spreadsheet that would hold the actual data to replace these placeholder values before sending an email to each member. You can use this email from the draft if this email is meant to be sent only once in its lifetime, but you can even save it to the Gmail template if you are going to use this email format over and over again. By the way, delete the draft after saving the template, or you are gonna see two entities in the drop down that will only make you confused. As you can see, I have filled 3 rows here. Expect that 3 emails will be generated with the help of data from the Google Sheet using the template, and then emails would be sent to 3 different recipients. Once the add-on has been installed, you can add it from the menu bar. Click on it to open it and set your options. Identify the draft or template by the subject line and send a test email to yourself first, which will pick the details from the first row to create your email and send a test email to your own email ID. Now go check the email for any errors in the mailbox, and finally send the actual emails to each of the recipients using mail merge. For the purpose of demonstration, I had used my own email alias for the recipients' IDs. So now that mail merge has each of these emails, I should expect that I have received all these emails in my own email ID. And I see that I have indeed received all these emails, and each email has been personalized with data from the Google Sheet rows. Another cool thing, when I open the email in my inbox, the mail merge also gets updated with the mail merge status and shows whether the email has been sent, opened, clicked, etc. Similarly, I have created this offboarding email for the member, which includes details like end date, feedback form, which also can be personalized by pre-filling their names or email IDs, since you can personalize however you want it to. Also add any other specific message or generic advice. It's up to your requirements and ideas. Let's send a birthday wish to 2 of these people who have their birthday today. You can keep the previous records sent from this sheet while sending new email list from here, but don't clear the merge status from this column, or else email merge will send the emails to this old list again. I never clear the old records, and sometimes I resend it to few people who seem to have not noticed an email that I think needs their attention. I hope that it gives you an idea on how you can improve the sending of your emails by pairing Google Sheet Mail Merge with whatever tool that you are working with. My favorite tool to pair with Google Sheet for Mail Merge is Airtable, where I can copy data from a Airtable view into Google Sheet, or if it is a process that repeats over and over again, then I use Airtable automation to send data from Airtable into Google Sheet based on some trigger. Let me know your thoughts on this process in the comment section below, and I would love to read them. This was Snigdha here, signing off. Bye bye.